Imagine opening ChatGPT, streaming Netflix, or storing your photos. But instead of giant warehouses on Earth, your data is being processed hundreds of kilometers above your head. Now imagine spacecraft pulling over, not for fuel on Earth, but at floating space gas stations. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the next phase of humanity's space economy: orbital data centers and space refueling stations. And together, they could become one of the biggest industries of the 21st century. Every AI model, cloud server, and cryptocurrency transaction needs enormous computing power. Today's data centers consume massive amounts of electricity and cooling water. Some estimates suggest data centers could soon consume over 10% of global electricity. That's becoming a huge problem. But space offers something Earth doesn't: unlimited solar energy. In orbit, satellites receive sunlight almost continuously, without weather, without night, without clouds. Solar panels can generate power nearly 24 hours a day. The vacuum of space also helps dissipate heat through specially designed radiators, reducing some cooling challenges. Several companies are already studying orbital data centers that could process information in space before sending only the final results back to Earth. That means less data traffic, lower latency for space missions, and a brand new computing industry above our atmosphere. Now imagine another problem. Every satellite eventually runs out of fuel. Today, most satellites simply become expensive pieces of space junk once their propellant is gone. But what if they could refuel? That's exactly what space agencies and private companies are working toward. Orbital refueling depots would store rocket fuel in orbit. Instead of launching fully fueled spacecraft every mission, vehicles could launch lighter, dock in space, fill up, and continue toward the moon, Mars, or beyond. It's the same reason airplanes stop to refuel, except this gas station floats at 28,000 kilometers per hour. NASA, commercial launch companies, and startups are already testing technologies for in-space fuel transfer and autonomous docking. Without orbital refueling, large-scale exploration becomes incredibly expensive. With it, deep space travel becomes far more practical. Now combine both ideas. An orbital data center needs maintenance. Maintenance vehicles need fuel. Refueling stations need robotic servicing. Those robots need AI. The AI runs inside orbital data centers. Suddenly, an entire economy starts forming in orbit. Construction companies, internet providers, fuel suppliers, robotics firms, satellite repair companies, even cybersecurity specialists. Some economists call this the beginning of the orbital economy. The same way railroads transformed America, and fiber optics transformed the internet, space infrastructure could transform civilization. The companies building these systems today may become tomorrow's trillion-dollar giants. For decades, space has been about exploration. Now it's becoming about business. The next industrial revolution might not happen on Earth. It might happen above it. Orbital data centers, space fuel stations, factories in orbit. These aren't just dreams anymore. They're blueprints. And humanity has already started building them. If you enjoyed exploring the future of civilization, subscribe for more deep space documentaries, because the future is already in orbit.